I didn't know what SVSU had to offer until I got here. One-on-one interactions with professors and faculty, I didn't expect that.
It's small enough where you have that tight-knit community feel, but it's big enough where you don't know everyone you go to school with.
I interviewed here for the honors program, and I think that was my first time actually coming down. My favorite part about the honors program is the ability to go in your own path in creating your thesis. It's just a very solid program for pre-professional people.
What makes SVSU's campus unique?
The state-of-the-art library, brand new entrance, and really beautiful gardens.
The Marshall M. Fredericks Museum, it's such a cool thing. Honestly, in general, I think the campus is just really, really beautiful.
What kind of opportunities are available to pre-law students at SVSU?
Our pre-law department is relatively small, but it still has a lot of opportunities. You get LSAT prep material, you get to meet with attorneys around the area, our forensics team, as well as like Model UN or Ethics Bowl. All of those will help you with your public speaking and your ability to do well if you do pursue a legal profession.
How does SVSU support its pre-health students?
Heidi Lang is the greatest woman of all time. She works with every single pre-health student here so that you're on the right track to being successful.
Applying to medical school is not easy, but I never felt like I couldn't do it, and I never felt unsupported in it. Heidi's helped with so much of that.
Nancy, talk about your most meaningful internship experience.
I haven't had a traditional internship experience at SVSU, but I did participate in our moot court program here. Essentially what that is you're arguing constitutional law at a local, regional, national level. The whole time I was working with practicing attorneys on figuring out my case, as well as current law students and students aspiring to go to law school.
I actually did an internship with Michigan State's College of Human Medicine. That's where I ended up applying and getting into medical school, so it was an awesome opportunity. I'm really glad I did it.
How has SVSU made you a leader?
In my time here, I've gotten to travel to Washington, D.C. to go to a leadership conference, as well as multiple ones on campus and just around the Tri-City area. So SVSU has given me the opportunities to want to become a leader.
You are really in charge of your own lab here, and obviously you have your professor as your guidance, but if you go to a larger university, I would have never even known what it would have felt like to be a researcher.
When do you feel most proud to be a Cardinal?
The next 4 years, I'll be going to school in Memphis for optometry. These kids are coming all over from like the University of Texas, University of Michigan, and it makes me feel that much more accomplished. Saginaw Valley can prepare you just as well as any other school around here, or anywhere for that matter. I'll always be proud to be a Cardinal, no matter where I am.